Hello, good evening everybody. This side Khushi from Dial Easy. Today in this video we'll discuss about the difference between an advocate and AOR. तो इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? An advocate is a law professional who can represent on the behalf of a party in any court law which is of law like subject to certain condition. जो हमने बात की थी कि एडवोकेट एक नॉर्मल एडवोकेट होता है जो किसी भी केस को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता है इन द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ. बट अगर हम AOR की बात करें, AOR is a law professional who can represent on the behalf of a party any court of law once registered as an advocate on record of the Supreme Court of India. अगर तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का बन जाता है AOR तो वो इंडिया के किसी भी कोर्ट में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता है. An advocate can represent himself in the Supreme Court of India only on the instruction of the advocate on record. जो AOR की इंस्ट्रक्शन के बेस पे ही वो काम कर सकता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अंदर with the leave of the court, यानी कि कोर्ट से जो उनको लीव मिलती है उस पर. Even if the advocate is allowed to argue before the Supreme Court, he is not allowed to file his वकालतनामा and an advocate cannot file a special leave petition on his own. यानी कि अगर वो SLP फाइल करना चाहता है या वकालतनामा फाइल करना चाहता है in the Supreme Court, he cannot do that. For that he needs to become an AOR. तो AOR को अगर हम देखेंगे तो AOR on record जो होता है हमारा AOR can represent himself in the Supreme Court of India on his own once he registered himself as an fulfilled all the conditions required to become an AOR, file his own वकालतनामा in the case filed and registered in the Supreme Court. An advocate on record can file a special petition on his own. यानी कि वो SLP भी फाइल कर सकता है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जितनी भी चीज़ें होती है he can do that by his own. He doesn't need anyone to do that work. But for an advocate he need an AOR to do that work. Basically the AOR represent his case. So this is all about this. In the next video we'll discuss about the new things. Thanks for watching this video.